Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today it's time for another Petit Vour unboxing. I definitely destroyed this box, so ignore that. Before I start, if you guys enjoy the makeup look that you see, then definitely check out yesterday's video because it was a good one. And let's go ahead and jump into this. This is a subscription service that I always forget the price on. I think it's 15 is what I want to say, 15 to 20, somewhere around there. Closer to 15, might be like 18, I don't know. Anyway, it's a subscription service that you get every month that is completely cruelty free, and a lot of times they have vegan options too. The inside always says be bold, be kind, Petit Vour, or something of that nature. And then it does come with this little insert. Looks different every month. This is what this month looks like. The products are listed on the back. You get 4 to 5 deluxe size, sample size, full size products. They tend to be heavier on skincare than they do on makeup. You usually get 1 to 2 makeup products and the majority is skincare, which I definitely don't prefer, but if you guys are more into skincare, you'll probably like this. So diving in, the first thing I see is this guy. Well, here, let me show you guys the inside first because you guys like to see the inside. It looks like that. The first thing is this. This is the After Hours Soothing Night Cream. Lavender. It's got lavender, coconut oil, and vitamin C. Kalos is the brand. Let me see. Yeah, Kalos After Hours Soothing Night Cream. pH balanced night cream helps soothe irritated, stressed skin to quickly regain glow and vibrancy. It retails for $11. So, ooh. Opening it up, it looks like this. I hate the way it smells. Let me go ahead and, oh, weird. Okay, so I didn't think there was a seal, but there is. It just came off when I unscrewed the lid, which is strange. I'm just gonna stick a little bit of this on the back of my hand here. Then I'm gonna kind of try to like scrape this product off onto here because I don't want to waste that much of it. But like, yeah, okay, so definitely put a lot on there. That's fine. Oh, it's very thick. Oh boy, it's real thick. So definitely a little goes a long way. I hate the way this smells. I feel like this scent is in the majority of products that we get in this box. Ugh, it just smells like very earthy. It smells like trees and lavender. I hate lavender. So probably not gonna be using this. I might pass this on to like my mom or somebody. It feels very, very moisturizing though, and I feel like you can already see some glow, so that's cool. I definitely think it would work. I just hate lavender, so probably not using that. Next guy in here is this. This is by French Girl. It's the Lait de Rose, L-A-I-T. Again, this is French. I don't know how to speak French. Wish I did, but okay, it's French Girl Organics. Lait, I don't know, de Rose Vitamin C Polishing Wash. This is a polishing wash. Petit Vour exclusive launch. This antioxidant rich plant derived powder wash cleans, brightens, and exfoliates for super soft nourished skin. How in the world do you use this? It smells nice, kind of. It also kind of smells like clay. So it's literally just a powder, like you guys can see. Shake well, moisten dime-sized amount with water or toner to form a thin paste. Apply gently in circular motions to damp skin. Rinse with tepid water. Use 1 to 3 times per week depending on skin type. Store in cool, dry place. But is this for the face or for the body? I don't know. Retails for $15. I don't know if this is supposed to be for the face or the body. I'm gonna assume since it says with toner that it's for the face. I don't know that I'll use this, I'm gonna be honest. Okay, next thing in here is by Ursa Major. It's the Bright and Easy Flash Mask, pomegranate and alfalfa. Apply to clean, dry skin for 3+ minutes before rinsing. Powerful, fast-acting enzyme face treatment for clear, vibrant skin. It's a little baby guy. This is a powerful, fast-acting enzyme face treatment for clear, vibrant skin, gentle enough for sensitive skin. This flash mask restores luminosity and firmness. Retails for $6. So I believe the way that this brand does it, which I do definitely approve of, like this is not a full-size product, but the $6 value is the value of this. It's not the full-size price. Ooh, smells good. Smells like seaweed. I like the way that smells. Kind of looks like seaweed too. It looks like a jelly, but it doesn't really feel like one. I'm not gonna waste much of this because I don't want to. I kind of might want to use this actually. So first product in here that I'll probably actually use. And the last product in here is this guy. This is by Terra Mercari Smudge Proof Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Base. First makeup product. The packaging is really cute. It's like a floral pink, purple, and white. It's pretty. It says smudge proof and oh my gosh. Smudge proof anti-aging eyeshadow base infused with hyaluronic acid. This waterproof eye primer prevents creasing while improving the skin's elasticity and minimizing the look of fine lines. This retails for $36. I hope I hate this, because no way will I be spending $36 on an eyeshadow primer. I use concealer. Pretty packaging though. Let me see. Hands are very slippery from that cream. Ooh, smells good. Very yellowy. Kind of don't want to waste any of this product. So you just kind of spread it out like that. I don't know. I mean, I'll try it. Smells good. Smells really good, which is weird. It smells like vanilla, but I will definitely try this. I am excited about the makeup product, the only makeup product in this box, but it's not something that I probably will ever repurchase because $36 for an eyeshadow primer is slightly ridiculous in my opinion. I usually use concealer, which I mean, I guess if you're using an eyeshadow primer, you use less concealer, so you have more concealer to use in the future, but like at the same time, it's $36 for an eyeshadow primer. I don't know. I think my subscription to this is up in December because this was a gift. This was a Christmas gift. I got a year subscription for this. I don't think I'm going to be renewing it, you guys. I mean, I have found some like hidden gems in this box. Like I have, what do I have? The concealer that we got in here. It's by Hey Honey. I really, really enjoy that concealer. I think I have maybe a cream that I really liked. There's an eyeliner that was good. It just, this box is not my favorite. So I don't think I'm going to be continuing this subscription after December. If it's something you guys want to see, let me know and I will think about considering it. But otherwise, let me know some like cruelty-free subscription services that you guys like and that you want to see, and maybe I'll get that one instead because I'm just not a fan of this one. But anyway, quick little recap. We got this powder wash thing. We got a mask that I will probably actually use. A night cream. The night cream is cool if you don't hate lavender, but if you hate lavender, you're gonna hate this, which I do. So if it didn't smell like lavender, I'd be down for it because I love moisturizers. This is still not dry. And we got an eyeshadow base. My throat just started hurting weird. So that's everything in this box. Yeah. Let me know down below if you guys get this box, if you got anything different. I honestly don't know if this box is like the same for everyone. I've never watched anybody do an unboxing of this. Maybe I should. Maybe other people are getting cooler things than me. I don't know. But that's everything I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And if you want to hang out with me on my other social medias, my Instagram and Twitter are of course linked down below. Bye guys.